It's time for your mid-year 2019 real estate market update. Now, 3 things to consider when thinking about considering to buy or sell. Are you curious as to what the projections are in relation to the housing market for the rest of the year? Hi, I'm Tara Coyle with Coyle & Verberny Real Estate Team and Coldwell Banker Sunridge Real Estate. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Folsom, El Dorado Hills, Orangevale, or Sacramento County, here are some things that you need to consider as we're heading into the coming months. Now, first of all, home prices are appreciating at normal rates. Over the past 10 years, we've seen some home prices appreciating significantly from one year to the next. We just keep going up and up. Well, according to the experts at the Home Price Expectations Survey, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and the Mortgage Bankers Association, they're anticipating appreciation to continue to go up as we move into 2020, but at more normal levels, which they're estimating to be about 3.6%. Secondly, interest rates are still low. In the 1980s, the mortgage interest rates were as high as 18%, and the average interest rate over the last 30 years has been 8.27%, and today they're under 4%, which is considerably lower than the average over the last 30 years. Lastly, we need to remember that impending recession does not mean housing crisis or crash. In fact, financial analyst Morgan Housel tweeted that an interesting thing is that the next recession will not be as bad as 2008. It's natural to think that way, but statistically, it's highly unlikely, and it could be over before you realized it began. And think about this. Oddly enough, in 3 out of the last 5 recessions the United States faced from 1980 to 2008, home prices actually went up. And let's notate, 2008 was the worst in regards to housing prices declining, but we really need to remind ourselves as to why that happened. Now remember, notes were being sold to investors as A paper that were really D paper, and loans were being approved that had no business being approved at all. An example of this would be the stated income loan. And things like that, they're just not happening anymore. Now to get a loan, they basically want your firstborn child nowadays. So let's review. The experts are anticipating normal appreciation heading into 2020. Interest rates are low and expected to remain low, and if there is a recession, that does not necessarily mean a housing crisis, but it's likely going to mean more normal levels of appreciation. So what does this mean for you? Well, it means it's time to get off the fence and make a move. And don't forget the wonderful advantages that you receive from owning a home and getting to write off your interest. So I hope this mid-year market update was helpful for you. Please feel free to reach out to us for any of your real estate related needs, or just reach out to us for anything at all to see if we can help you or serve you in any way. And as always, make it a great home buying and selling day.